Jeb, Jeb, please don't hurt me. Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gaming with Super XX Gamer. I'm going to be teaching you how to name mobs. Some people ask me to do this, so I'll get into it. So you take any mob egg. You can only really do this in creative. I guess you could turn it back to survival. And then do it. And then you get an anvil. And when you have the anvil, you go into the anvil. Put the things. This is in PE. We don't have any name tags, so you could just do this. And then name it whatever you want. So here's our named witch. I wonder if it does it not work on hostile mobs? I guess it doesn't. Because as you can see. So I guess it doesn't work on hostile mobs, but as you saw in the intro, I got some jibs. I'm gonna try it on another hostile mob to see. I thought it would work on them, maybe not. Let's just name it whatever. I don't care what it is. So. Does it work? No. So hostile mobs you can't do it on. You can do it on other things too. So let's say let's get an ocelot. Let's get a pig and a rabbit. Let's also get a squid. Let's name them all something. So let's put the squid in. Should we name the squid? Oh. Here we go. I have a good name for the pig. Jeff. And rabbit. Abbott. And then ocelot. I don't care what your name is. You can also make it pretty long too. You can make it that long where it goes off the name thing. So let's go down here since we have the squid. Test them out. So here. And it separates them from the other things, which I think is pretty cool. So let's get our there we go. So we have our ocelots that names are really, really long. We got Jib. We have a witch. Oh, I guess it does work. Maybe just the name that I put in didn't work. I did the zombie. Wonder why it wasn't working before. Here we go. Let's get some squids. So you're out in the ocean. You see a whole bunch of Sims. It's actually pretty cool with the squids. Because you can have like a water room and then just name them all something and see the name move without seeing the squid. Here we go. Let's have Jeff. Jeff the piggy. Abbott the rabbit. So I'll call out again. And then let's see. Thought we did something else since we changed the zombie and the witch, I guess not. But so that's how you name mobs in Minecraft. And I know you all are wondering where I did the intro with Jeb. all the gebs. Spawn in some more gebs. I should have dyed them different colors. Too late now. But that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and please like and subscribe. And hopefully this can be useful for something that you do. Maybe I don't know. Maybe you'll want to name your dogs. Which you can do, I think. Here, let's go try it out right now. So let me get here. First we need a bone. And then let's get a wolf. Let's name our wolf man's best. Spell best one. And no. Let's say it man's. I don't know. Good luck. I do not know why I spelled it like that. Oh no. Whatever. So, same me, the dog. There we go. And let's get me the dog out. Oh, he went straight for the jab. Thank you. Yep, so there you go. You can have your dog named now. Minecraft. That's cool. So it can be useful in a lot of things. So it's the end of the video, guys, and hope you guys all enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Watch some of my other videos. And if you want more things like this, then please do tell me, and I will certainly do. So remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.